Kollywood actress Wasundhara Kashyap, who made her debut as a side actress in Arya Star Vataram, has been in the news after her sleazy selfies were leaked online. The young actress is known for her roles in films such as Paranmai and Then Merku Paruvakatru. There are reports doing rounds that the actress had been spotted along with her boyfriend in many instances in recent times, as she had been traveling with him quite often. Also, the actress is being criticized by many for posting private photos online, with many calling it a publicity stunt. Some say it could have been done deliberately to catch everyone's attention, as the actress' career graph is in bad shape at the moment. The sleazy pictures, reported to be that of actress Vasundhara and her boyfriend, on internet has been spreading out like wildfire. The buzz is that a video of the actress with her boyfriend is also leaked online. When topless photographs of an actress are leaked, one would normally associate it with Hollywood, as it is very rare for an Indian actress not to safeguard her private photos. But shockingly, Tamil actress Vasundhara Kashyap of Paranmai and Sunnapura Yathu fame has allegedly leaked some of her personal photos taken with boyfriend. Vasundhara was seen closely romancing with her boyfriend in the pics, and few of the pics even feature her topless. The intimate pics were said to be taken by Vasundhara herself, and they're considered as sleazy selfies. It needs to be seen who leaked the pics of her. Whether anyone hacked her personal accounts or her boyfriend revealed them to take vengeance, or she only leaked for sensation, need to be found.